Hey there. Today we're going to be talking about Kajabi's tool called the Course Outline Generator. So, this is an example of AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. And it's a tool that Kajabi used to help course creators come up with a full outline for their course. So, that means different topics or modules, and then different lessons or subtopics within each of the modules. So the way it works is really simple. You just type in a course topic, you click on the button below, and Kajabi spits out the outline for it. So if you want to play around with this yourself, the website is, or the URL is kajabi.com/course outline generator. So I went in and I played around with it and I put in 4 different topics. So I'll just quickly show you the results I got with the different topics. I just tried to think of topics in a variety of different industries. So the first one I put in was Spanish for beginners, and Kajabi gave me 4 modules. So introduction, verbs, grammar, and conversation. And then within each one, it gave me 3 subtopics or lessons. The next one I put in is Instagram Reels for course creators. So again, it started out with an introductory module with 3 lessons, and then it had 3 other modules on creating, promoting, and monetizing Reels, each with 3 lessons beneath each module. I also put in writing college application essays. So it starts out with an introductory module, and then it has writing a college application essay and editing and revising your essay. And the 4th one I put in is how to lose weight without dieting. Again, starts out with an introduction, and then it goes over nutrition, exercise, and stress management for healthy weight loss. So I'll talk about what I like and what I don't like as much about this course outline generator to give you a sense of how I think it could be helpful to you, and also what you should bear in mind if you are going to use it. So what I like about it is it's just a way to get your wheels spinning. If you are in like the really early stages where you've decided that you want to launch a course, or that you want to create a course, and you maybe have like a topic in mind, but that's about it. And you have like questions about like how much content should go into the course, and specifically what you should cover in the course, and how to organize the ideas you have for the course. So I think if you're at that stage, you can play around with the course outline generator and maybe choose a few different ways of describing your course topic in this search bar, and click generate course outline and see what Kajabi gives you, and then maybe change the course topic slightly and click it again, just so that you can maybe generate a couple of different outlines for your course, and then see how Kajabi structures the recommended outline in terms of the modules and the lessons. So I think that, to me, this would be equivalent to just doing market research online about your course. So let's say you were to look at different blog posts that people have published about the topic of your course, and you can see what content is covered in those blog posts, or you can see what courses other people offer on the same topic as your course and what they cover in their courses. So things like that, when you're just really in the like idea generation stage for your course, and you want to just take notes on what to cover and specifically what to talk about in each of your modules, I think that's where this course outline generator would fit in with the course creation process. But I do want to talk about the limitations of the course outline generator. The main limitation I see is that, to me, all of the outlines that it spit out are very generic. So they make sense, they're logical in the way that each outline is set up, but I feel like what Kajabi spit out is no different than what I would see if I just like picked up a random textbook on the subject. And I think that for a course to be successful and profitable, it really has to be tailored to your ideal client. And that's not something you're going to get with the course outline generator. So, for example, a person's approach to losing weight without dieting is not a one size fits all approach. Yes, you do need a combination of nutrition, exercise, and stress management for healthy weight loss, but the approach would vary greatly depending on, say, whether someone works 60 hours a week at a corporate job, whether they're a parent with 5 kids, whether they have food allergies, whether they have maybe injuries that would prevent them from exercising, whether they're 70 years old or 20 years old. So there's a lot of customization that I think would be needed with the course outline that Kajabi spits out to make it a lot more specific to your ideal customer. The other thing that I think you would have to do with the course outline to improve what Kajabi gives you is have it lead more intentionally to a specific outcome or result, and to have it be more of like a roadmap to getting that result. So if I look again at this example of how to lose weight without dieting, Kajabi does give me specific things to do to lose weight without dieting, like changing my eating habits, changing my exercise, managing stress. However, I have no idea if I were to take this course exactly as Kajabi laid out. I have no idea how long it would take me. I have no idea how much weight I could potentially lose. I have no idea how to prioritize the different things, the nutrition versus exercise versus stress management. I wouldn't know how to tailor it to my individual needs. I don't know if each, like how to maybe implement certain things, like for example, like the nutrition part, like what if I don't know how to cook, or what if I don't know how to find foods that have these macronutrients. I would have so many questions about how to take this information and implement it in my life so that I can get the results that I want as the ideal customer for the course. So I would be cautious as a course creator in using an outline like this as is, because I think the risk is that you would be providing your students or your clients with information without giving them a specific actionable implementation plan and without leading to a very specific result. Like, yes, the result is losing weight without dieting, but that's pretty broad and generic. So if I encourage you to play around with this course outline generator, use it to get some ideas, just to as a starting point if you really don't know what to put into your course. But I would advise you, if you are going to move forward with it, to customize it to your ideal client and also to edit and tweak the content that the outline generator gives you to make it more specific to your ideal client and to make it as actionable as possible to lead to a very specific outcome or transformation. So I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, just post them below.